Good morning, one and all. Myself, Dr. K. Radhika, Associate Professor, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Agriculture Engineering, SNCT Coimbatore. Today, we are going to discuss about Agri Infrastructure Funded. The eligible activities under agriculture infrastructures are: first one is Forest Harvest Management Project, pack house, ripening chamber, cleaning, drying, sorting and grading, storage infrastructure and assigning units, warehouse, slows, cold storage, supply chains with e-marketing facilities, then primary processing center, then finally solar panel on eligible infrastructures. Then second one, community farming assets, smart and precision agriculture, input production, seed processing, tissue culture, nursery. These are the input production techniques. Supply chain infrastructure, then finally biostimulant productions. Then these are the eligible activities under AF. One is Forest Harvest Management Project, another one is Community Farming Asset. The contract farming transformation through public-private partnership in Andhra Pradesh. Case of banana. India has its 27% in global banana production and share in export less than 1%. Ecuador share in less than 5% in global banana production, while global exports share is 30%. What happened in Anandapur and the similarly in state horticulture department with the support of central government encouraged the private participation in Anandapur with the utilization of government schemes and infrastructures. Farmers entered in the contract with the companies like Desai Fruits, INI Farms, Mahendra Agri, etc. Today, Anantapur banana export jumped in 246 metric tons in 2016 to 17 to 45,000 million tons in 2019 to 20 and is further projected to export 75,000 metric tons by 2021 to 22. Also, 20% increase in productivity has been recorded and the average price of farmers' produce is increased by 50%. Contract farming in northeastern regions. There are three types of contract farmers in the northeastern zones. Number one is industry mentorship with Parvata Foods, contract farming of Kandula, Red Clover Manipur, contract farming and of Perilla Seeds Nagaland. First one is industries mentorship with Parvada Foods, 4 FEBs from Nagaland and 2 FBS from Arunachal Pradesh. Supply of small processing unit and quality machineries with rupees 25 lakhs each unit. Buyback assurance for all processed products are occurred. Contract farming of Calendulus and Red Clover Manipur. There are 2 FBCS engaged for dried cantaloupe and red clover flowers, worth rupees 12 lakhs. Convergence with the Indian Grassland and Fodder Research Institute for Seeds. Then Nagar Organics, 2 FES encouraged for tried perilla seeds, 20 metric tons worth rupees 30 lakhs. Convergence with the KVKs for true to type planting material. And then case study, contracting farming potato in Gujarat. The penetration of fast food chains such as MC Donald, Wendy's, Subway, KFC, Burger King and Domino's took as an opportunity by the Gujarat farmers. In 2007, Gujarat had only a 16 acres area under the Santana and Frysona varieties desired for French fries. Today it's over 6,000 acres. Gujarat has the processing plant of 3 companies, MC Kane Foods, Iskan Balaji Foods and Hyphen Foods, about 1,000 crore, which production frozen potato products and export them. Despite being the 4th in potato production with 7.5%, Gujarat contributes 26% of total export by India. Then, India used to import 6,000 metric tons of French fries in 2007. In 2019, India exported around 30 metric tons of French fries, banana export for the French fry preparations. Investments from other big names like Amul has been flowing in the state. 100 crore processing plant inaugurated by Honorable Prime Ministers. Banasanganda being the recent example for the export of banana in this Amul varieties by Honorable Prime Minister. Thank you, one and all.